The dish according to this recipe is very satisfying and tasty. The chicken is especially tender thanks to the tomato and cream sauce, and the cheese will give the dish an extra bright creamy touch. Chicken Picasso will decorate any table and will impress any gourmet. Cut the bell pepper into rings. It is better to choose 3 different colors that looks more colorful after removing the seeds. Cut the onion into half rings. Grate the garlic on a fine grater. Salt and pepper the chicken breasts. With a combination of 2 tablespoons olive oil and 1 tablespoon butter, fry the breasts until golden brown. Transfer to an oven dish. In the same pan, fry the onion until golden brown. Transfer to the chicken dish. Time for bell pepper. Lightly fry the rings until they are soft. Put to chicken. Place the grated garlic in the pan, fry for 30 seconds, then add water, add chopped tomatoes, mix well. Add the Italian herbs, vegetable stock cube, salt, pepper and a pinch of nutmeg. Pour half a glass of cream, mix. Cook the sauce for 5 minutes over low heat. Fill them with chicken and vegetables. Cover with foil, put in the oven for 30 minutes. Remove, sprinkle with grated cheese, place the chicken back in the oven, but without the foil, for another 15 minutes, until the cheese is melted. Bon appetit!